Okay, 3, 2, 1. I joined Point Blank hoping to get a diploma, and then you guys had a degree course, opted for that, and I feel so amazing. And hopefully, the years to come, this degree will take me further.
On the radio course, I really liked all the opportunities that we had, and there was a good chance to make loads of friends, and there was lots of opportunities to go out to different radio stations, to the BBC, which was really fun.
Well, as an online student, I enjoyed all the interaction that we had with the VLE and the instructors, with the videos and stuff was all really good. So now I plan on continuing the record label that we started. Me and Mike, one of the other guys online, we're going to continue with that. We're doing a podcast for it, and I've got an EP coming out in a couple of months.
I want to get into film and TV production. I never knew this was a possibility before joining Point Blank. I just wanted to do electronic music like everyone else, but Point Blank gave me a lot of ways and opened up a lot of more options for me.
My favourite instructor is a difficult question, very difficult question. I liked everybody who taught us, to be honest.
I think it would be Frank, because he brought the most opportunities to me, so he let us go to the BBC with him one by one and really took that extra time into investing with us.
Just the tutors, the amount of knowledge that they have and the experiences that they share to all of the students is just amazing. And you get to learn firsthand from people who are in the industry, so that's really amazing what Point Blank does.